Rockabye Farm by Diane, Johnston, Hamm. Illustrated by Rick Brown. Rockabye Farm. It's bedtime. The farmer rocks his baby. When the baby goes to sleep, the farmer rocks his dog. When the dog is snoring loudly, the farmer rocks his hen. When the hen has settled down, the farmer rocks his sheep. When the sheep are dreaming well, the farmer rocks his pig. When the pig no longer squeals, the farmer rocks his cow. When the cow is tucked in straw, the farmer rocks his horse. When the horse's eyelids close, the farmer rocks the mouse. Now that everyone's asleep, the farmer rocks himself. Good night. The end.